off.
It might take a second to slow down.
That one has a broken pole chain, it looks like. Come on.
Do you like photography? I noticed you take a lot of pictures.
I do, yeah, I do love fans. I do love showing fans how.
It's probably hard to take pictures while they're moving fast, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, it's so dark in here and stuff.
Yeah, it is kind of dark. Let me see if I can turn the lights up. Is that a little better?
Yep, that works. Wow, it's dusty. Yeah, I can see the bell canopy up there. A bell canopy, yeah, that's a bell canopy up there. Yeah, that's a bell canopy. Oh yeah, I see it. Oh yeah, I see there's a broken pole. Yeah, there's a broken pole chain, I see. Let me zoom it back out. When was this building built?
I think it's been here about 15 years, so probably about 2002 or something like that.
I know there used to be one back there. There used to be one back there. Yeah.
I'm not sure. I've only been here 3 years, so I'm not.
I remember there used to be one back there.
So you must have been coming here for a while. Huh?
Yeah.
You're good, bud.
Well, they used to turn this one on way up here, but they don't do that one anymore.
Wait, is it broken?
I don't know. They have this. We're not allowed to turn the switch, so I think it might be broken.
Or it could be stuck on something. Yeah, they remodeled this place a lot.
They did. They changed all the decorations and everything a couple years ago.
Yeah, like 3 years ago.
Yep.
Yeah. Alright, can you turn it back on now?
Turn it back on?
Yep. Well, thank you very much.